Unintentional injuries are the leading cause of death in Travis County of ages 1 through 44 years old. Hi, my name is 𝗙𝘁𝗹𝗹cie, and today I'm joined here by 𝗙ihe𝗻𝘁. 𝗙ihe, can you tell us a little bit about this event and yourself?
Sure. So my name is Denise. I'm with the Chronic Disease and Injury Prevention Program at Austin Public Health, and we hold these events 8 times a year. We provide car seats to families that need them, as well as just providing checks to see if they already have a car seat, is it installed correctly, and is it the right size for their child. We partner with Safe Kids Austin and Kids in Cars. They actually provide the seats for us to provide to the community.
What are some common mistakes that parents run into when installing car seats?
One of the most common mistakes we see is that parents aren't tightening the harness straps tight enough.
Okay.
So the harness straps need to be lying flat on the child's chest, and there needs to be no slack, that they can't actually pinch any slack. And we often see that parents just don't think they need to get it nice and tight, so we'll often show them really how tight we need it to be. And that keeps the kids safe in the event of a crash. So movement is what causes injury in a crash. And so we really want them tucked tight down into that seat, and that's what keeps them from moving if they're in a crash, which prevents injury. Another common mistake we see is parents moving their children into a seat that they're not quite ready for. So moving up to the next stage. So let's say moving from a rear facing to a forward facing too early, or moving from a forward facing to a booster seat too early, or moving from a booster into a seat belt too early. The seats have labels on them, and they tell you the height and the weight of that child, and so it'll tell you when you're ready to move into the next stage.
You just mentioned how parents don't know when it's time to transition their kids from one car seat to another. When is the proper time to make that transition?
Right, so it's going to be different for every single family based on the child's weight and height and the type of seat they have. So the best way to know that is to look at the car seat manual, and also on the side of the car seat they have the basic information that is going to tell you on the label what the weight is for forward facing or rear facing, what the height limit is for forward facing or rear facing. So the labels on the seats will always give you that most basic information to know, is this seat the right stage for my child?
Lastly, can you tell me, what is the law regarding child passenger safety, and what should parents know?
So the Texas law states that any child under 8 years of age or to the height of 4'9" needs to be in a car seat.
Okay.
What I would say parents need to know is most 8-year-olds are not 4'9". So 4'9" is actually quite tall. It's about to here, right?
Wow.
And the reason we have that height limit is because that's when the seatbelt actually fits correctly on people, is at 4'9". So I would just say that parents need to understand that even though at the age of 8, legally they can take their child out of a booster seat, in reality they're probably going to want to keep them in it quite a bit longer, because most kids do not hit that 4'9" till they're 10, 11.
Thank you so much, 𝗙𝘻, for showing us this great event, and thank you for your work here at APH. Do you have anything else to add?
No, I'm just really happy that we're able to provide this resource to the community and for you to shine a light on it. So thank you.
Thank you. And if you have any more questions, please leave a comment down below.